What's going on, everybody? So, I won't be reading a teleprompter. I'm actually going to be reading some emails here shortly. But first, I just wanted to let everybody know I never said that I was a credit repair guru, or as he says it, goro, whatever that is. I have no idea. But I'm neither one. Never claimed to be. I do feel like I'm the best at what I do. My results speak for themselves. I did not want to make this video, but I felt like I had to do this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post screenshots right here of each email in case y'all want to pause the video and read it yourself later or whatever. But I'm going to read most of the emails too at the same time. Some of these emails are from 2018, so that just goes to show you how long this clown has been talking shit to his clients and people he's worked with. All right, so I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, thanks. Well, I don't have it at this moment, so when I get, I will, and some of this stuff I'm telling you can't hardly read, how and when I can. As long as you get your payment, please do not call my company, use my phone number or email when need to. Also, stop all work for me and destroy all of my information. I don't need your help no my longer, but they meant any longer. Enjoy the payments as it comes in. I will inform my attorney on my decision tomorrow since he has all the contracts and emails. Thanks. Please look forward to payments as I can pay the balance. Don't need the help. Hi or hello. My conversation to you is that I need to see some results before I give another payment. If I don't in 2 weeks, which I'll be honest, that's kind of not really reasonable, then I will make that decision of what I want to continue with. I just pulled all 3 reports via mail this past week. Thanks. His response: we need the invoice paid ASAP if you wish to continue. That was the first email. I'm going to put the second email up here. Hey Andre, who are you calling an idiot? You seem to have a bad habit of threatening people with nonsense, as we've seen before, previous videos. I paid the fee to Midwest in full. I don't care if you got 100% or not. They delivered, I paid, end of story. I only have problem with you charged me for personal credit repair and you have not performed. If you did, please professionally tell me why nothing has changed for many months. If you want to continue, then I just need to know how long I must wait to get my credit to the 700 range. All right, I'm gonna stop right there. That's one thing that these credit repair companies do that they definitely should not. You can't promise a score. You just simply can't control the score. That's all I want. I don't care anything else, even all the insults you threw at me without even knowing me. I am your client. You should treat me with respect. That's just common sense. Sincerely, Huey. He responded with, you don't know is that all commissions paid to the Midwest corporate credits are 100% mine. I've been friends with the owner, Nate, ever since they started the company, you idiot. Here is another thing. With one phone call, we can get the creditors to ask you for tax returns from your business and drop your lines. Like, I mean, just God almighty, man. This guy is just something else. Y'all already knew that. So then he's got these things where he's I think this was a Craigslist post or something like that. I'm Andre Nguyen, a credit pathologist, and company is Pinnacle Credit. You can check out my work here. It's instagram.com/Pinnacle Credit Repair, so you have a better understanding of what I can do for you if you choose to hire me to fix your credit. Shows off the stuff he removes. I operate under a mutual agreement that is CROA, Credit Repair Organizations Act, compliant, and my services have a 60-day 100% satisfaction guarantee or your money back So we've seen him talk about just canceling clients because he gets pissed at them and not giving them a refund. He doesn't have to. He is not CROA compliant, I promise. All right, the next email. Hi, it says Andrea. Thanks for the email, and I got your email. I actually wanted to talk to Lexington Law since they are the largest credit repair company that I know of, and they have a program where they say they can remove a lot of negative records from your credit history. I am not sure if your company can do that, and a lot of people claim a lot of things, and I want to know how long have you been doing credit repair, and have you worked for this company for a long time? I am not sure if I like the upfront money, since unless I can get some positive results, why should I pay up front and nothing changes in 6 months? And do you provide refunds and credit back? Let me know. Thanks. Thank you for reaching out to me on LinkedIn for our rapid credit repair services. I first want to tell you that we work 4 times faster than Lexington Law and the majority of credit repair companies out there. Fake ACAT system. I will first need to pull your credit report to review your situation. Our fee to repair your credit is $750 paid up front. 100% illegal. And then the next email. Good afternoon. Let me put it up here. Good afternoon. I am thrilled to have you on board as an affiliate with my company and satisfied with the work you have done over the past few weeks in the Orlando market. You recently expressed your interest to invest in our sign-in campaign in the Bay Area, which will strategically help you to make profits from our signs placed in the Bay Area and used to open up your own office in Orlando and post up signs throughout that area, which I think is great. Your $500 investment will give you a little bit more than a double return, which is $1,500. That's 3 times, just simple math, in 30 to 45 days. My suggestion is for you to continue to aggressively market yourself to realtors and brokers in your area, as well as financial insurance agents, and use the $1,900 profit as follows. So now he wants him to use his profit to pay for signs to talk about his company. 200 signs for $500, office space here, $1,000. I think this is doable within 30 to 45 days from now. And once you post up 200 of your signs, I will give you an additional 200 just for doing this. So you will be sure to generate 15 sales in July and ongoing. June will be a little tough since we are starting a little late, but we will see. 15 sales in Orlando and Fort Lauderdale area is $13,000 in net revenue, which you will make $2,000 a month in revenue for you in addition to your outside sales marketing efforts and the referrals you will get. I will be paying for your office and marketing at that point. You will make 25% of all sales you get with your own efforts and 15%, $3,000 of all affiliates you bring on board. If you have any questions, let me know, Andre. And that guy got screwed. He never got paid anything. I'm not surprised. Maybe you are. And this email, I'm not really going to read it. I'm just going to let y'all pause the video and look at it. But it's basically the same thing Mike from the Credit Game was trying to get everybody to sign up for. I think the My Jewelers Club, it's a trade line, like a $5,000, $10,000 trade line they put on your credit report. So again, I'm not going to read all that. Just pause the video if you want to. And I think that's it. Well, this last screenshot, I'm not going to read either. I'm just going to let y'all pause it. But this just shows why he's always talking about John, and he's got so many Johns. He uses John for fake emails too. There's several fake emails in this screenshot on the screen, which, again, I'm not surprised. And I'm sorry this video is so long, y'all. I didn't want it to be this long. But yeah, this stuff needs to be pointed out. People need to be warned. I mean, these are from 2018, so we know he's been scamming people and doing them dirty and talking crap to them for the past 5 years. We know that for a fact. He says he's been doing it for 10 years. So, but again, he gets away with it. He's in Vietnam. He's not coming back. There's no way you'll ever see him here. If he cheated you out of your money, you were basically just, I'm going to be honest, shit out of luck. But if y'all have any questions about this video, please leave them in the comments. Share this video with your friends, family members, Facebook, anywhere you want to share it. I would really appreciate it. Hope y'all have a great night.